So I am Isaan Muller. I have been teaching here for about 10 years now. I recently moved to the computer lab where I teach basics computer literacy for the children. I try to broaden their horizons with the computer literacy that I teach. The school has been in existence for 75 years in total. So we consist of 58 staff members, and then we have 750 learners in school. The school has joined Vuma in July 2019. Before we joined Vuma and Cool Ideas, we had a 10 meg line. And then since joining them, it upgraded to a 1 gig line that went through the entire school. So the entire school has Wi-Fi now. Since the school got Vuma and Cool Ideas, teachers are now able to use YouTube and internet to enhance the learning experience for the learners. We have projectors in class now, which helps us to color each lesson and just give the children a general idea, because they don't really always have an idea what you're talking about. So using the internet really brightens everything up. It was more the administrative staff that were using it, but now that we've upgraded it, the school administration is cloud-based, so everything is in the cloud. So now teachers do have access to learner information as well as learner marks, and since it's introduced as well, it's on the school premises, so everything, you don't need to personally use your data or whatever the case may be to access anything. It's a privilege for Roodepark School to work with Vuma and Cool Ideas. The services are great and excellent. It's fast, and they really do give it their all to make sure that we are on par with everything that we have. So really well done, and thank you for that.